I've been trying to make sense of the sorrow that I feel, holding on for a life to the only thing that's real. I've only scratched the surface, I've barely had a taste, but just a glimpse draws my heart to change, and one side of you lays my sin to waste. I don't need to see everything, just more of you. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. My sight is incomplete, and I made you look small. I've been staring at my problems for way too long. Realign where my hope is set, until you're all that's left. But just a glimpse draws my heart to change, and one side of you lays my sin to waste. I don't need to see everything, just more of you. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. God, be greater than the worries in my life. Be stronger than the weakness in my mind. Be louder, let your glory come alive. Be magnified. God, be greater than the worries in my life. Be stronger than the weakness in my mind. Be louder, let your glory come alive. Be magnified. Be magnified. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. Open up my eyes. Take it all away. Magnify, no other name. Open up my eyes to you. To you.
Make the ground shake.